Someone tell me, what is so special about geckos? I mean, they sleep all day unlike me. And for some reason my owners wanted to pet them. They said I'm jealous. What lies? It's not worth being a lazy gecko for someone cool like me. I'm furry and adorable, while geckos are bald and ugly. Well, it's time to go down. Oh, I'm instantly patted. I will beg for food. They couldn't get their eyes of these geckos. I want to eat. I'm going to search for food. There needs to be some. Never mind. What does these geckos eat anyway? EW, they eat crickets. Rather eat meat than that. A sudden pat. So many crickets. They're sleeping already. I bet she can't feel fur on geckos if she pats them. What? Are they finally giving me food? Stop recording, give me food.